Welcome back to End of Trading on YouTube, and today's video is called Trading DarwinIA Silver to Get Funding, and this is a 2-week update since my last video. I will be showing you my trading and results and tips that I've learned so far. Also, if you'd like to follow me on my journey on Darwinex Zero, there's a €20 discount code in the description and a link to sign up. Okay guys, to start things off, I completed my portfolio and I bought all of these 18 stocks twice. So I have double positions in each one of them, total about 18,000 of my portfolio. So I need to increase the amount I'm investing to get that 3.3% return on my max drawdown of 1.91 at the moment. I need to invest more capital. But you can see here I've gone up the ranks there. I was on 415 and now I'm on 393, which is cool. My return so far is low. It's 0.1%. But tonight I'm going to buy all of this portfolio again, but I'm going to buy double positions. I'm going to buy 8 of Amazon and 4 of Boeing stock and so on and so on. And so that would make my portfolio up to 36,000 out of the 100,000 that I have to invest. Also, my current rating has increased slightly. You can see in my last video it was 59.30, but now we're on 60.09, which is all good news. And with lots of cool stats here that I will go over later on in the video. Okay guys, it's been nearly a week since I bought all of these stocks 4 times. So multiply each of these sizes by 4, so it would add up to around $36,000 invested. But my return has slightly dropped and my current position has rose from 415 to 680. And my current rating has dropped to 53.20, so not a great week as you can see here. Overall, my portfolio has come way down, but all I've been doing is I bought these stocks, I haven't sold any of them, and just holding them. But the good thing here, I haven't gone below that maximum drawdown that was on the first day, and that was really only from one trading pair between the Canadian and Australian dollar. That was just one large trade when I had nothing else open, so just be careful of that. My drawdown has not gone below that 1.91, so that's good. But as Warren Buffett said, when it rains, put out a bucket, or when other people are fearful, be greedy. So what I'm going to do is buy double of this portfolio again, which will add up to another 18,000 invested. So hopefully when the market recovers on my portfolio, it will push them profits up. But let's see how we do. So I'm going to buy these now. 8 more of the reliable Amazon, 4 more of Boeing because I love to travel, and to finish off, the good old reliable Visa. 4 of them stocks to make up around $1,000. Okay guys, this is either going to make me or break me, so stay tuned to see how this goes. As I said, I just picked these stocks to show you how the system goes. I'm not actively trading them every day because I just don't have time. So this is my portfolio here, and I've now bought this portfolio 6 times, so you can multiply all of these by 6. So it'll add up to about 54,000 in total.
3 days later.
You can see my returns have dropped again to 0.11. My max drawdown is still the same. Look at this, guys, are way down, but let's see how we go. As long as I don't break this max drawdown, which will make me have to make more profit to go up the rankings here. I'm currently at 53.20. You see my total portfolio now is hitting minus 500, so hopefully that's going to turn around and go back up to a plus 500. Some of the stocks are in profit, but stay tuned guys, I'll update it soon. Okay guys, it's the 14th of the month and I had a really good day yesterday. I closed lots of trades, as you can see here. Out of these 18 stocks here, I closed 11 of the positions for a profit of 731, but after fees it was 682. Now I just did one trade with Apple that was outside my portfolio that brought in nearly $70, but I won't be doing that again. It was just a good time to buy Apple yesterday. So out of the 7 stocks that I have left in my portfolio, I'm going to back that up by buying the remaining 11 stocks that I sold yesterday. Be buying buying them in the quantity of 3 lots of these positions here. Instead of 6 times this amount, I'm going to be halving it and buying it to 3 to protect them profits that I already have here. But overall, quite happy. My current quote is 102.93, so that starts off at $100, so that's the way up. So return over the last 6 months, 2.97. You can see I jumped way up in the rankings here, around 277. So up 10 today, so really good rise there. You can see my returns from closing them positions yesterday was really good. I'm currently at 65.86 ranking. I need to get up to 75, guys. Return this month is 1.3, and a great day yesterday, as I said, 1.71% return. So the important thing is to keep your drawdown low, okay? Because the higher your drawdown, the higher the profits you must make to get that 75 rating and that allocation of funds. Okay guys, so it's now the 19th of the month, and my return since inception is 2.98. My max drawdown is minus 2.21%, and my current quote for my index is 102.98. Now it did pop up to over 103, but that went down slightly. I'm in 303rd place, and that is out of 1,522 people, which is not too bad. And this is actually just my 4th month in the DarwinIA Silver program. Remember, the more positive months of returns that you have, the easier it is to get that 75 rating, and I'm on 66.05 at the moment. So you can see here my return has gone up there 3.12% to 2.98%. Return this month is 1.34. Now this is important. My max drawdown is 2.21%. The secret to success here is to keep your max drawdown low. Now if my max drawdown was just 0.15, I think I would be at 75 already with that 1.34%. But because it's at that 2.21%, I need to get about 3.36% profit this month to get that 75 rating, to at least get 25,000 of allocation. And that would put me in a position of 145 out of 1,522. Now, it says here my annualized return will be about 30.57% if I continued the way I was going, but let's see how that does. Sharp ratio is 3.8%, and you can see here my positive or negative returns over a daily basis or a weekly basis here. Winning weeks was 71.43%, and my average return per week is 0.94%. My best days was 1.71%, and then you can see my worst days down here was 0.87%. Remember, your drawdown is very important. You can see, don't make the mistake I did. I made one trade on currency just to try out the platform, and it dropped way down, and that was nearly my highest drawdown. But since then I got slightly higher, but be careful of that. Make sure you start out small or have something in your portfolio to make sure that you just don't do one trade and your whole portfolio will be pulled down to that max drawdown when you start off. So either trade small with one trade or have some trades in your portfolio to even it out. You can see here my trades are all mostly stocks, and 150 trades, 80% winning trades, pretty good. They're the European sessions, and you have lots of stats down here. You can see here my strategy is 153 trades, 100% were long. I'm not doing any short trading. Average losing trade was 0.17, and average losing trade duration was 9 days, with the winning trades at 4 days. Some cool stats you can go through yourself there. And this is what I mean by not opening a large trade when you start off. Look at this. I opened up one trade on a currency pair, and my max drawdown went way down. Since then, it's been pretty much evened out. Now, I really like this coloration tool with other Darwins. So you can search for other Darwins and compare yourself to them. So I looked on the chart for this month. This person, DQFK, he's at 75.07. If he stays at that, he would get 25,000 this month. You can see that he got 80,000 before, and he got 45,000, and he will get 25,000 if he stays above that 75. So this is what I was saying. He's got them past records to help him boost him up the rankings, because it takes your last 5 months with this current month. And you can see there what he has done this month. So his return was 11.44. His annualized return is 28%, but his max drawdown is much higher than mine. Mine is 10.65. His volatility is higher, his Sharpe ratio is lower. We're back around the same winning trading days, and his best trading day was 5.6, so he must be more day trading maybe. His return this month is only 0.17. You can see that, guys. My return is 1.34 and my max drawdown is lower. So that's what I mean. Your past 5 months will help you go up the rankings. Okay, so the first month is going to be the most difficult for you, but as you can see here, the past 5 months, massive return of 11.25. I'm only on 1.62%, but my max drawdown is so low. So keep your max drawdown low and just go slowly. If you don't get it the first month, you most likely get it the second month. And just to look at my current portfolio there, I have some stocks here in profit, and when the stock market opens today, I'm going to be buying much more of this portfolio because I'm running out of time this month to make that profit of over 3%. So you can see here I have Nvidia is 77 on profit, I have Microsoft 55, American Airlines is 15, and then I go down here, I have Tyson Foods is minus 41, but at minus 266.21, but that is not too bad overall if my stocks go up in value. And if you want to see your live trades, you can come in here, guys, and they're all my open trades there, and this will show you your risk. So this is important too. So you can see there my risk was much higher. It was 6.01. The lower risk the better, and then it comes down here to 3.14 and it's steady off and 3.19 there. And this is the risk engine calculating your risk between your trading account and your Darwin index. Now you can come here to your DarwinIA tab and you can see the current month rankings. This guy BHRK, he's a rating of 95.5 and he will get 250,000 if he sticks in that ranking, which is massive. His return the last 5 months was 11.52. Return this month is nearly 6%. Max drawdown is minus 3.07. His allocation will be massive, 250,000. He's got to be happy with that. And I believe this is his first month trading because he has no stats for the last 5 months. Wow, he's doing excellent. Really good trader there. This second guy is GCPD. He's at 95, just below 95.50. He'll get 185,000 if he continues the way he's going. And his return was 10% the last 5 months and 6.5%. Max drawdown there is important, minus 3.2. He got 65k last month. He's going to get 185,000 this month. So remember, in 3 months, you can get them allocations or cumulative. And here we go. There's me, guys, XLGT. And I have to lower my ranking by 150 to get allocation this month. Quick update, guys. It's now the 20th of the month and I just checked my stats and they're way up from yesterday. So I'm on 3.68% return in the last 6 months. My current quote has gone up to 103.68 and I'm now at position 231, and that's the highest place I've been yet. That's out of 1,518 people. And my current ranking is 69.21, so I'm not far away from that 75 to get that allocation of 25,000. So really happy with that. You can see here Constellation Brand Inc. has a profit of $92.88, and I'll close that tonight, and I'll close Nvidia with that 63, get them profits, and Microsoft with 42. I'll be closing them and probably close the rest of the stocks that are in profit too to protect them profits. Okay guys, remember to like and subscribe, and remember I left a €20 off discount code in the description, and make sure you use my link to sign up. Also, this will be telling Darwinex that End the Trading sent you, and it'll encourage me to make more videos. Okay, see you soon on the next one.